Infinite Supreme Peace, Param Shanti. Salutations to Ma and Bapuji. This is a translated video in English of Bapuji on the topic How will the soul be saved from the fire of death? How to become timeless or go beyond time? Bapuji greets Param Shanti, Infinite Supreme Peace. To become timeless means getting out of the cycle of time. Great time cycle. To escape from the cycle of Mahakal fire means to escape from the great fire of dissolution. When the soul becomes incorporeal or formless or nirakar stage, then only the soul will be able to escape from the cycle of time. Be it time cycle or Kal Chakra, great time cycle or Mahakal Chakra, or great cycle or Mahakal Chakra, to avoid the great fire of dissolution is to be timeless or Kalatit. This is the important and main knowledge for all the souls to become timeless or go beyond time, that is Kalatit. So when do souls become timeless, or when are they free from the cycle of time? Only the unlimited or infinite Supreme Father, Behad ke Parampita, frees or liberates us from the cycle of time. The souls who get the complete knowledge of the time cycle or Kal Chakra, great time cycle or Mahakal Chakra, will remain in the incorporeal stage and then connect with the unlimited or infinite Supreme Father, take power through meditation and destroy their sins. Then they become timeless. So becoming timeless is a great knowledge for the souls. When the soul becomes timeless or goes beyond time, that is Kalatit, then the soul becomes formless or incorporeal. Soul becomes free from the bondage of karma, then only it becomes timeless. When the soul is trapped in the bondage of karma, it does not become timeless. Only Kalagni, fire which would destroy the world, can make the soul timeless and incorporeal. Those who wake up before time, gain knowledge, do yoga or meditation, service and dharana or pure embodiment, they become timeless. So they become free from the bondage of karma, and those souls do not get punished. Those souls also make others experience supreme happiness and supreme peace, Param Shanti, through the vibrations of supreme peace, Param Shanti. Those souls will become timeless. For such souls there is no sorrow and unrest of any kind. Those souls who keep rotating in the wheel or cycle of time, that is, keeps taking birth and rebirth due to karma, hence they feel sad. Kal means time. That is why there should be knowledge of the time cycle, the knowledge of becoming timeless or going beyond time. Timeless means going beyond time, getting out of the wheel of time. Time means illusion or Maya. Going beyond illusion is Kalatit. The one who frees or liberates us from the cycle of illusion is the unlimited or infinite Supreme Father, Behad ke Parampita. Rest, no one has the knowledge. All of them are trapped in the cycle of illusion or Maya. So getting trapped in the cycle of time is not knowledge. Getting out of the cycle of time is knowledge. Param Shanti, Infinite Supreme Peace.
Join us daily for our morning live meditation, Monday to Saturday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की परम शांति सो